Staple guns are ideal for a wide range of fastening projects, such as upholstery, door assembly, carpentry, and even exterior trim projects such as lattice work. This stapler features the innovative AirStrike technology, which eliminates the need for noisy compressors, bulky hoses, and expensive gas cartridges. This means not only lower cost, but also faster setup and easier maneuvering in the workshop or around your home. This ONE+ cordless stapler fires any brand 18-gauge narrow crown staples between 10 and 38 millimeters long. It has two firing modes: full sequential mode for precision and bump fire mode for when you want more speed. The stapler has LEDs to illuminate the work area, which engage when you hold up the handle, and toolless adjustments for power and depth of drive, providing the desired setting for your projects. This stapler comes with a reversible belt clip, 2 no-mar shoes, and 500 staples included, so you're ready to fire right out of the box. And with a 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can fire up to 1,338 millimeter crown staples per charge. This staple gun is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless staple gun will work with any ONE+ battery.